What up, guys? It's Avery the
Annihilator.
It's Avery the what up, guys? It's Avery the Annihilator. There's fireworks out here. Whoops. Look at that beauty. So beautiful. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see it. Look at that.
Oh, that one was the one. I like that one, but it does too.
Yeah. Free fireworks from like a mile away. Who cares? Free fireworks. Yeah, I know we can still see
Oh, over there too.
Yeah. Is there more over
Oh,
there?
that one's a little bit further away.
Can we go in the sand so I can see?
Yeah. I ain't.
Oh my god, that water looks creepy.
I'm full of poop.
And full of poop.
So if I go in the lake, the girl will pull me.
No men. You're not a man. Yeah, yeah. She thinks some 10-year-old kid's her boyfriend.
Hey, baby.
Hey,
You wanna go date tonight at the Pizza Hut? Oh, good.
Oh, I haven't had pizza since like.
There's a lot of people over here.
17,
It's like, we got some fireworks.
More fireworks. Alright, I'm facing it this way, no matter what.
You guys can hear it? Oh, I swear. Oh, you see those things?
Gotta stand up.
I don't think I did my salads.
Oh, by the way, I give it. Oh, sorry, Tom. By the way, I give a shout out to Sunny Plays and Gabby Toys.
Hi.
They're
Video one.
Gabby's right there and Sunny's right there.
I don't know if you guys can.
And Tala.
Tala the Sheba. Yeah, you won't be able to see her. Hold on.
All day Tala.
Okay, now do you see better?
Yeah, and Gabby again. Oh, whoa.
Now can you see Sonny?
And then Sunny.
Oh, you posted pool fun?
I have to post mine and edit them.
So cute. All right, so we got people over there. They don't even know that I'm just like looking.
You have a flashlight on. They know we're here.
He's going in. He's looking for his girlfriend. The girl's gonna pull him in. Hey, baby. You already got a date at the pizza Hut at the bottom of the ocean.
Oh, dead iguana. Look, there's a dead iguana in there.
Where?
At the bottom of the ocean.
In the pool.
Ready?
See that dead iguana?
We're gonna eat
There's a
some
dead iguana.
You
You wanna see it?
Wait.
Look.
We're gonna eat some biscuit.
Oh yeah, the girl comes in like.
Go.
Oh, dead iguana right
Wait, did
there.
I use
right
your
there, dead
phone?
iguana.
Is that from today, Sonny?
This? No, it's Avery posted it.
I posted it.
I also need you to send me a copy of those
Oh, you
pictures.
basically can't see anything. It's too dark. Miss Lindsay, can you put your flashlight over
It
there?
is.
Oh yeah, so that makes it perfect.
This
Makes
is
it
the
so
vault.
perfect.
This is the vault I did.
I'm gonna go show you this memorial thing over here.
You want to take this?
Rip stranger.
Let's see here. If you guys can see. Look at this memorial thing. In memory of Michael P. Murphy, U.S. Navy SEAL, June 28th, 2005.
He was a veteran.
He was a veteran.
Read what it says.
And he
He
died,
died
for
to
our
2005.
country so that we could.
No, read it, Gabby. It says, my stone is red.
Combat veterans. And now the flag
Allied band.
there. Can you see?
They got some flags.
Says my country's right to show they care. If I could be seen by all
Oh,
mankind, maybe peace.
And then we
That's actually
have
really nice.
that, and then that.
Put the flashlight on it so I can read it to Sonny. You got your flashlight? Hold on, it says
This says my stone
he died
is
in 2005.
red for the blood they shed. The medal I bear is my country white to show they care. If I could be seen by all mankind, maybe peace will come in my lifetime.
And he died in 2005.
He died in 2005. This is dedicated to recipients of this nation's oldest military decoration, the Purple Heart.
That's what it looks like. Like the first one was given out in 1932. Oh, sorry. 1780.
In 1782, Military Order of the Purple Heart.
1932.
Alright, there's another one. Do you guys want to see the other memorial?
Where?
It's right there.
All right, right there.
After the back.
So we're walking to another memorial. It's this one.
No.
Oh, it's not a memorial, but this
No,
is
this
this is
a
the
memorial.
pipe.
Right here.
The pipe.
Right? Isn't this a memorial too?
Yeah, there's something in it for society.
Yeah. There's a flashlight on it. Right here.
This says
Serenity.
Serenity
And then-
Plaza.